If you want to block mobile data for specific apps on Realme Note 70T, then in that case we need to download a third-party app that allows us to do so. So we can open the Play Store, go to search, and we can look for an app that allows us to block the access to mobile data for apps of our choice. For example, we can use Netcard. This is one of probably many apps that we can find on the Play Store, and that allows us to block the mobile data. But in this case, I'm going to use this specific one. Feel free to try anything else, however. Now, let's open it, let's press I agree, and let me show you quickly how to set it up. So first we need to tap on the switcher over here in order to turn on the Netcard, and then press OK. Over here, once again, press OK, and just keep pressing OK in order to agree to everything over here. Once you go to app battery usage, you need to find Netcard. So let's scroll down, and we should be able to find it somewhere over here. There we go. And you should be able to tap over here on allow background usage, and you want to set to unrestricted. Now let's go back, let's exit these settings. Now we can tap over here on this orange text in order to grant notification permissions. There we go. You can press OK over here once you read that, as well as at the bottom. And that is essentially it. The app is ready to go. Now, in order to block the mobile data for an app of your choice, you just have to tap on the mobile data icon, which is over here on the right side. So you can tap over here to disable the access to mobile data for the app of your choice. And you can do the same thing with pretty much every app over here. But what you can also do is tap over here on these three dots in the top right corner, and you can go to settings, and you can go to defaults. And over here, by default, we can block mobile data for every app. So if you do so, if you go back, you will notice that on this list, every app has now no access to the mobile data. Even if you install new apps, then they will have blocked mobile data by default. Of course, you can still grant the access if you want to for individual apps. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.